We've been working on our plants, and we're measuring how tall they are and how many leaves they have. And we're actually starting to transplant our tomatoes and eggplants today.
We transplanted today, and that was the biggest one ever.
Yeah, I'll let you put that soil in there and kind of just cover him up, put him back in his bed.
You have to transplant every time when it gets bigger and bigger, and when the pot is full of roots.
Release it, so squeeze it a little bit. Yep, I got him.
Cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, cosmos, zinnias, marigolds, chives.
We had to give them sunlight, water, and care.
I've been seeing all the changes, so how it grows more leaves as it goes, how it changes colors as it goes.
I've never experienced the life cycle of a plant before.